Okay, today we're looking at Charles McGibney's Walkera QR X350 Pro. I just completed the LED mod, the status LED mod. I had to move the status LED from the board we just got in. I was able to take it's a big LED, it's a 3-watt LED, it has 6 leads. I was able to take it off the board it comes on and move it, extend it up to the front. That way we can put it behind the lens. I super glued the lens in. It ain't coming out. The lenses aren't coming out. I mean, you can pry them out if you wanted to. So now we're going to see how the status LED works. The only thing I have left is to get the motor servo leads. I'm going to fix this down to the board that has the status LED that was on it. I'm going to fix those down to that. And then I have to run the 4 wires from the OSD. Those are running out to this leg here to the VTX, and they'll be running in and out from the OSD. That's the last thing I have to do. But I've tested the status LED a couple of times. And it's super bright. I've got the door open here so we have light coming in. Now when I power this up, anytime you power it up, if it doesn't have a good GPS lock, or if any of the sensors give a bad reading, it's going to tell you and give you a red light, and it's going to beep at you and tell you that it's not right. You need to power off. Don't turn off the transmitter. Once you turn it on and plug it in for the first time, the receiver will bind. But if it ever gives you a problem like a red light, then you'll just unplug the power from the battery going in and plug it back in. Wait a few seconds and then reset. And it should get a GPS lock then, and then because it gets a GPS lock pretty quickly. But any of the sensors have to be reset or settled down. See, like right here, red light. That means we didn't get a good start. So there's a sensor that's not stable. So we'll unplug. We'll wait a few seconds, and then we'll plug it back in. I've had this happen to me 2 times. Usually by the 3rd time, see right there is a good start. Usually by the 2nd time, it seems every time it comes up and is ready to go. The only thing I have to do with the status LED is figure out what the light codes mean. Like right now we got a flashing green LED. That means I can press our button on the side and get it ready to go and get it armed and start spinning the motors. So that's a good start. So right now we could arm, we're armed right now. We raise the throttle, the motors are coming up. But I'm going to print out and save a copy of what the status LEDs do, and send that. This is for Charles McGibney. So that's it for this video about the way the PixHawk status LED works on the 350. Thanks for watching.